Hi, it's Callie from Learn to Bloom. Stop waiting for perfect because life's too short. So it's starting to rain, it's sprinkling. We have a big rainstorm that's supposed to take place here today or tonight, over the night. I guess we might get 8-10 inches, I don't know. So just trying to get a few things done in the yard because it's not hot, it's not stressful, it's like a good time and it's gonna soak it in with rain is what I'm thinking. So when I was doing the Christmas urn, I found some strawberry plants that were on clearance. So they were 60 cents for the plants. So I don't know if they'll really grow here. I don't think they're the ideal kind. Like if I was looking up and gonna buy them, I wouldn't necessarily pick them, but for 60 cents, it's a fun little, it's worth the gamble. So I'm gonna show you the strawberries and where I'm gonna put them. Here's the strawberries. Okay, so can I get in close? And they're ever-bearing, which technically for Houston, that's not what you want. So, you know, strawberries are kind of iffy, but for 60 cents, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. And I'm gonna jump over the dog and I'm gonna plant it right here. So this is my blackberries. And I'm just gonna stick it in the corner here. I'm gonna try to do it on camera. So I'm gonna push aside these leaves and this mulch, and I'm gonna dig a hole here and pop it in. These are terribly root bound. So look at all these roots. Look at how, I mean, it's just going around and around and around itself. I'm just gonna totally rip them apart, scruff it up, be like, untrain them, because they've been trained to go in circles in that pot. So I'm just saying, hey, wake up. You're gonna go in this new dirt. Okay, so there. Now I have to use 2 hands to put it in though. So, but now I'm going to take these and I'm gonna just kind of bury the whole thing. I'm not gonna really worry about it, because it's gonna overwinter. I'm not getting strawberries now, so I don't know. It's an experiment. We'll see what happens. We'll see if it comes back in the spring. I've seen other people do it, so I haven't done it myself, but we'll see.